Volume number 12 of Fath al-Bari بشرح Sahih al-Bukhari. See, Imam al-Bukhari, Muhaddithin have discussed these topics, brothers and sisters. It's very important for us to learn these. He says, look, the people that rebel against the governments, there are of two types. Rebel, baghis, bughat. He says, one of them, those who rebel, are the seekers of dunya. They seek dunya. They do it for dunya reasons. Maybe there is an answer for us here. Second group is those people who do it for haqq, for the truth, for justice, for the justice and for i'la of kalimatullah, to elevate the name of Allah. This is what our khulafa, the guided ones, Rashidun, went after Persians and